Thanksgiving is a wonderful holiday. It's my favorite except for Christmas and Easter, which of course have a special dignity. This year's Thanksgiving is going to be especially great. And the reason is it comes amidst trouble. There's trouble all over the place. But you know, here we are. I'm in this chapel on this beautiful campus. The campus is healthy, happy, partly disrupted, of which we complain. And then the complaints actually remind us why we're here. And that helps us value that. The nation is in a terrible crisis. We don't know how long it's going to go on. We don't know what's going to happen when it's over. We are like the pilgrims. They came across the ocean, didn't know what they'd find. Nobody had ever seen it. First winter, they starved to death, most of them. Everybody got sick. And then they got through it, and then they had a pretty good summer. And there was a harvest. And of course, that means food. And they stopped and they said thanks. They joined with their neighbors. And so they had a moment of peace. And they were grateful for that moment. You see, their troubles reminded them of their blessings, which are inestimable. That's a word that occurs in the beginning of the college's founding document. We have inestimable blessings. We get to do this work. All of us do. Each of us has a work to do. To get to do that work, that is the hallmark of a free country. So, of course, we have to fight for our freedom, but that is part of the work, and we get to do that work, too. In a way, these troubles are good for us. They teach us, they remind us what to strive for. The old literature about suffering is full of that reflection and is redeemed by that reflection. And that is a tremendous thing to remember. And Thanksgiving is the time to remember it, born for the purpose of remembering it. We will say our prayers and thanks this year in Thanksgiving with special intensity. We will pray for you too. Happy Thanksgiving.